Living in a sanctuary city, your security system has to be top notch. And in today's video, I'll be breaking down the ANSQUE wireless, solar powered 4-camera system. I'll show you how to install it and I'll give it a review. Everybody loves a good old unboxing. I'll put the link in the description, including a little coupon code, because everybody loves a coupon. As you can see, these cameras are very compact. This is the wireless router. Everything comes in the box as needed. You're just going to need a drill and a little bit of skill. Not that much. You could do it. Trust me. I'll help you. Come on down. Let's talk features. These cameras and app, which I would say is very easy to use, gives you detection zones, privacy zones if you don't want your cameras peeping on your old neighbors. It's 133 degrees of viewing from the camera. That's a big space, if you know what I mean. These can detect humans, because who cares about Fido out there? Unless you're trying to get a viral video. That might be good. Another feature that I found pretty nifty is it actually can follow somebody. Ooh, I know, right? From one camera to the next and report back to you. I mean, how cool is that? Mainly it's just me coming to the house, but you know, if a bad guy were to come try to break in, you could watch the whole thing happen. And there's alarms on the camera. You could set them off, you could talk through them. Everything you want to do to scare a bad guy. Alright, back to the install. So you get your 4 screws, grab your drill, you shake a little bit, find a great spot to mount them that's going to capture all the things going on outside your house, and just drill those 4 screws in. I think you can do that. There's no wires, so you could put this sucker anywhere. And that wireless router, it's got pretty good connection. This camera's probably, I don't know, about 100 feet away, 125 feet away from the router. Picks it up, no problem. A+ right there, gold star. Because my ring system, that don't work. It disconnects all the time, and it's even closer.
Ooh, satisfying.
This bad boy, locked in all the time. Don't be coming knocking, because I'll be seeing you. And these are a great value. They only take about, I don't know, let's say 2 minutes to install, and they can be had for in the 300s. 4 cameras. Don't have to worry about running wires because they're solar powered. Great deal. Check the link below. There's no subscriptions. Just need a little SD card and you're good to go. I tell you what, this seal for the battery charging and the power button, legit. I could not get it off for the life of me. It's good. It's not going to get ruined by the rain. It is on the bottom side, so it's probably not going to see that much water, but it's nice when things are quality. Quality seals make a man happy. And there we go. She's on. Ready to go. Got it connected to the app. Very simple. On to a different install type. Procedure. Whatever you want to call it. So for this one, I'm just going to take the mounting base off. Just a little nut there. A little twisty twist. And it's off. And then you can just go up there and mount that. I tried using the screws that are supplied. I did get them to work. But going into this metal flashing, not great. I got shaky hands, as you can see, me just fumbling everything around there. They weren't great. I would get some sheet metal screws. It would make this a lot easier. But we can just watch as I struggle. Nothing new. The name of the game. All my essential trimmer people, you understand. Safety first. Always ladder safety. 6-foot fall, do a lot of damage. Side note, I really need to hide those wires on my address lights. They look fantastic, but the wiring is god-awful. But here we go. Look at them. Steady hand. 10-time world champion operations. Undefeated. Oh. Try it again. Somebody said, pick yourself up and try again. Not sure who. There goes the dog. It's like play-by-play. Here we go. Back again. Buster sighting. As the handyman climbs the ladder, steps up to the plate.
Round 2.
Oh, round 2. Same screws, same problems. Confidence instilled. The vigor of a young man. Can he do
One
it?
down.
We lost a screw, but we're staying in it. Oh, buddy. Oh, it's a wild ride.
It's actually a screw.
This is the time. Nope. We're gonna just speed this up. I've given enough commentary on my unlucky genetic. Now that we got through that whole ordeal, probably be easier for you, and if you got different screws, or if you're going to a wood, piece of cake. Now you have the camera, you have your little nut, the mount is up there. Gonna tighten it on. Righty tighty, lefty loose. And make sure you turn the power on for the camera before you set it up there. It can get a little tricky. But there you have it. 2 ways to mount it. 2 ways to make a sandwich. Says nobody ever. Now we're going to check out the positioning of our camera on the app. I'll screen record some of the app and you can check it all out. Here we go. We're jumping right into the app. Pretty straightforward. I only got 2 cameras hooked up right now so you can see 2 views. Boom. Night mode. Pretty clear. If you wanted to access your photos so you could save stuff, boom, showed you right there. Now, here's turning your phone sideways. Oh, boom, you can even get color at night. Look at that picture. Fantastic. Everything you would need. Oh, look at, there's my mailman. Coming and going. There I am, home from work. Lunch pail in hand. And there goes the wife to work. Look at that picture. Fantastic. At the end of the day, this system is worth the money. Pick yourself up one, link in the description. Thanks for watching. Job done.